son is missing some of his fingers. Yep, that was my mom a few years ago. Now you say to yourself, why did the black guy with the pink shirt on and purple bow tie come out here and just pop some fingers on us like that? Well, first of all, this is all that I have. Number two, I want you to realize that for years, this finger mess was the thing that stopped my success. You see, guys, I remember in the 9th grade, I saw this fine girl in school. And so, guys, you know how we do when we step to a young lady. You gotta have that little swag, you know. Bam, bam. And I was like, excuse me, miss, what's your name? Hello, my name is Kantis. She was like, hold up, wait a minute. What is wrong with your fingers? Ooh, I can't do it. You have the cooties. Ta-ta. I'm gonna do something about this. So I went home, I grabbed some scissors, some needle and thread. Yeah. Today is the last day of these flapping fingers. Yes, sir. So I pulled the scissors, I had my glove up, and I was about to cut these flapping fingers off. And as I was about to cut the flapping fingers off, my mom, she busts in the bathroom. Bow. Boom. Son, what in the world are you doing? I'm like, Mom, I'm cutting my flapping fingers off. She said, what? My flapping fingers? She said, huh? I said, Mama, I'm cutting my flapping fingers off because all the people at school talking about me. She said, child, please. Put the scissors down, put the needle and thread down. She said, son, I want you to hear something. Don't you ever forget it. Quit looking at what you don't have and think about all the things you do have. In those words, through high school, through college, through grad school, quit looking at what you don't have and think about all the things you do have. And as I sat there at my first job interview, I just zoned out. I started thinking about my mess. I started thinking about when I felt like I can't, or I won't, or I'll never. Yeah, I started thinking about all of those things, but there I was in the interview and I heard my words from my mom. Quit looking at what you don't have and think about all the things you do have. I realized that my fingers, that was my mess. That was the thing that played on my psyche. See, you may not have finger mess. You may have low self-esteem mess. You may have financial mess. You may have baby daddy mess. You may have, ooh, we don't like my classroom, my teacher mess. What's the thing that's holding you back? What's the thing that plays on your psyche? What's the thing that tells you, I can't. My family's going to struggle. I can't do it. I won't be able to do it. But here's the thing I want you to realize today, that if you're ever going to play your A game in school, if you're ever going to play your A game in life, that you have to get over your mess. Right now, I don't care what you think. I'm the coolest guy with 7.25 fingers. Yes. Yes. You know, honestly, nobody is thinking about your mess but you. And for years, my mess was bothering me. And you know what, young people? It stops today. I want you to think about the things that's holding you back from being your best. You see, I don't believe that you should be the best in life, but I'm encouraging you to be your best. And the only way you can be your best is if you get over your mess.